Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting practical. Unlock the phone and open Settings now. Once done, find Notifications or Apps and Notifications. Search bar speeds this up. You want to allow notification permission for the core apps you need. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off or configured to permit important alerts. Also check system-level toggles so app changes actually appear. This avoids wasted steps later and sets the foundation for per-app, sound, and lock screen behavior. Now you configure each app so you see the right alerts. Tap the app from the list, then open Notifications or Notification Channels. Channels let you control message types separately. Enable the main toggle, pick a sound and importance level, and choose whether notifications show on the lock screen. Once channels are set, enable badges and banners if you want quick glance info. Make sure vibration and pop-ups match your routine, because visual-only or silent modes can silently finish by testing. Send a message or use an app's notification test to confirm delivery. If you still don't see alerts, make sure Battery Saver or Adaptive Battery isn't restricting background activity and that background data is allowed. Reboot the phone to apply changes and check system sound levels. If problems persist, reset app preferences or reinstall the app. That often clears corrupted settings. Finally, make one last check of Do Not Disturb schedules so future silences don't surprise you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.